December 23rd, 2022. And I'm hoping that she is going to have puppies in January. We didn't get a litter last year. We're not really at this point sure why it didn't happen. But this year we witnessed these two breeding on several different occasions and completing the act, so we know it happened. We have 4 people. Put this on an angle so you can see what's going to happen. We have 4 people who, we have 3 people actually who've been waiting for 2 years for one of these dogs, and a 4th person who's been waiting since it was last summer anyway that he signed on with us. So it's quite exciting. Here she goes again. She likes to hide on him. And he'll start coming this way and bang, see? She thinks he can't see her. In the summer she does that in the tall grass, and it works. I have to put my glove on here. It is very cold in Canada today, folks. Very cold. Sorry, I'm moving this. Sorry. Here we go. That's much better. Glove. So there they are, the happy couple. The dark one is Manitou. We call him Manny. And the white one is Wastiu. We call her Wasti. 1 or 2 syllables in their name is ideal because it's just easier for them to remember than if you give them all kinds of different syllables. A lot of people like giving their dogs these really, really long names, and it's not good for the dog, really. Keep the dog names. You can give them big long names, but when you call them, you gotta call them with 1 or 2 syllables. That's the best I found anyway. I've been at this for quite a few years now. Yeah. And he's pretty big, okay? So I'm like average kind of size. My hand on his head. See that? Well, these gloves are tight on me too, as you can see. He's got a huge head, this guy does. His dad had a huge head too before I neutered him. Well, he was old too when I neutered him, so he was going to lose that anyway. When these dogs get really old, they start getting pretty skinny, and it's actually kind of good for them to go that way because they're old, right? And they don't want to be carrying all around all that weight. It's not good for them. Luckily, my dogs are fed on raw diet only. Bones, and look at that mess. Bones and raw chicken mostly. With raw chicken bones, folks. It won't hurt your dog. Raw chicken bones won't hurt your dog. Raw. Do not cook the bones. Do not cook the bones. That goes for all bones. Don't cook them. Once you cook the bones, they turn into, they get really dangerous because they can splinter much more easy. And even when you don't cook them, leg bones, big animals, leg bones, they can be dangerous because especially my dogs here, what I was supposed to say, my dogs here, I don't have to really worry not worried. They don't swallow little bits. It just never happens. They know what they're doing. But for like a city dog, if you're feeding them raw, try to give them larger cow bones, not the small ones, because the larger ones are harder for them to break. City dogs, even pit bulls, they don't have the strength to crack open a cow bone. Even Rottweilers, which are the, last time I checked, they had the heaviest bite of all dogs. These guys here are crazy. They're like, they've been like 1,200 pounds. Look it up. Google it. It's right there. 1,200 pounds per square inch. If you get them really mad, if they're really, really mad, they can crack open bones the size of baseball bats. Bang, done. Yeah. They're pretty amazing creatures. So I just wanted to show you what it's like in Canada and how my dogs just, they love it actually. They do care. They wish it was like this every day. They do. I don't. So, have a happy holiday and an excellent 2023.